Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we get from time to time, and I get regular requests of people asking me if we have more news as to Windows 12. There's still a lot of people not believing that Windows 12 is a thing. Pretty much everybody now agrees that Windows 12 is a thing and that it's about a year, a little more than a year and a half before release. So, second half of 2024. And more, there are presentations and leaks from different parts of the Microsoft business that use an operating system with floating taskbar and a search box at the top. And it's very different. You notice there's no clock, there's ability. And actually, some of the latest build in the Canary build and are actually showing some of these features where you can actually remove some of these features of the clock and so on. And it tends to tell us that maybe even some of the Windows 12 operating system features will appear in the Canary builds at some point. And it would explain once again why a Canary build exists now in the Windows Insider rings, even though they do say it's not tied to anything. It might be where we're going to test some of these features. And notice no clock in the taskbar. It's on the upper right corner here with the battery. Yes, it is very Mac OS-like. A lot of people have noticed and said, well, it's like a Mac. We know Panos Panay is one of the old guys that still kind of, envies and talks about, Mac versus PC. And even though I personally don't think there's any war, because you know what, each is its own thing and they should each go in the direction that they want. But you see here that definitely some of the designs probably are inspired, and Mac OS also has many things that it actually has used and that Windows inspired them. Often people say, well, Windows is always copying on Mac. A lot of things on the Mac have been copied off Windows also. So it's on both sides that it's happening, basically. So anyways, more and more hints that, Windows 12 will look something like this. And so, I don't know, I'm excited personally, because as a tech enthusiast, I can't wait to see the new Windows, and I can't wait to see the new, the new way it's all going to be like. But it's not everybody, because most people want to have quiet times, And there's all the things we don't know yet, the minimum requirements, and will it require a neural processor, which is a question I get all the time. Will the neural processor be the next TPM that's going to prevent some to upgrade? I personally don't think it will, because I don't think even next year that NPU, a neural processing unit, I don't think a lot of PCs will have that yet. Contrary to TPMs, where every modern computer has a TPM chip. It's really the older ones that don't. So, the controversy of TPM is less of a problem than it would be an NPU requirement. But, we'll see as time goes by, but more and more hints that this is what Windows 12 might look like when it's released next year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.